Hello, in front of me I've got Oppo Reno 7 Lite. In this video I'll show you how to enable and disable app drawer. As you can see right now, app drawer is enabled. In order to disable it, let's tap and hold on free space on the screen and go to More. Enter home screen mode and select standard mode. Apply and switch. Now app drawer is disabled. As you can see right now, every icons are on the screen. So in order to enable app drawer again, tap and hold on free space on the screen. Again go to More and again go to home screen mode. This time select drawer mode. Apply, switch, and it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.